The Gaisgich Òga, the Young Heroes, is a Gaelic mentorship program offered by Colaisde na Gaelic, the Gaelic College. The program is open to Nova Scotia residents aged 10 to 16 who demonstrate a strong interest in Gaelic and a desire to learn, use, and speak it on a daily basis. Participants engage in overnight weekend sessions at the Gaelic College, which are geared towards Gaelic immersion through cultural and activity-based learning. Time is also designated to discussions on folklore and the history of the Gaels, delivered in English. Each student is paired with a language mentor and take part in bi-weekly mentor sessions, which are held in community and further enrich their learning and community connection. In total, the program encompasses 100 hours of immersion, 60 hours of cultural learning, and 30 hours of mentorship. The Gaisgich Òga graduates are eligible for a Grade 10 leadership credit, which is added to their transcript by their guidance counselor. For more information, please visit the official program page, the Gaisgich Òga.